Hello people, here we are, glorious day, Sunday, brilliant. Right, next modification for the car. This one come along, or made me think of this one, when I was following my brother in his M5. Obviously just driving normal, following, but he was a bit heavy on the brakes. And I noticed the BMW M5 brakes flash under heavy braking, GTR doesn't. So the modification we've done today is we've had to remove the back panel on the boat, and obviously I've had to test to find out which wires we're obviously supplying boot spoiler brake. Well, seeing a video, I think, if correct in saying, the black was the earth and the white was actually the switching live wire tested here. So that saves any you boys and girls out there actually trying to get your testers out and seeing what's what. So I hope this video helps you. So basically, yeah, we've got a strobe unit, which basically has an in and an out. So don't get confused. What I mean by in and out is where your supply comes from. So your supply in, and then obviously it goes through the module, and when that comes out of there, that will be going straight to the light in question. So yeah, just a short video for you. Hope this helps. Obviously I try to cut in different things, so yeah, I hope it all makes sense for you, and maybe when I'm medicine. But as always folks, if you like what you see, please like, share and subscribe. And yeah, any comments that people, if they don't like this modification on this, please let me know. Thank you, bye bye.